Sometimes I look at my videos and think, people don't know what's behind the screen. I'm just a small creator, recording everything on a cracked phone, with shaky audio and low brightness. But a big dream. I don't have fancy equipment. I don't have a PC. I don't have a studio. I just have passion, and you guys. And you know what hurts? Sometimes my videos get no views. But I still keep posting. Because maybe, just maybe, another small creator hears my sound and feels a little less alone. So if you're watching this, use my sound, grow with me, and let's show the world that even broken phones can create real stories. Support small creators like me. Support Young Kim.